Here is a comparison between Lumio Arc 7 and Lumio Arc 5 projector. Lumio Arc 7 is much bigger than Lumio Arc 5, but it has the same features. It also has a free Netflix, and it is also very convenient to use. On the other hand, Lumio Arc 5 is smaller than the Arc 7, but again, it is much cheaper because this is the old version of the Lumio projector. But here is a table for a concise comparison on the two. For picture brightness, Lumio Archive has 200 ANSI lumens, while Lumio Arc 7 has already 400. For audio setup, Arc 5 has 1 times 5 watt speaker, while Arc 7 has 2 times 8 stereo speaker. For screen size, Arc 5 has up to 100 inches, while Arc 7 has 120 inches. So if you're looking for a just normal feature of a projector, you can purchase Arc 5. But if you want something more innovative and has more strong speakers and that can actually maximize more screen, then you can purchase Arc 7 on your end. Neither both are good on your end.